So, hi everyone. From today, we will be starting our full stack course with the Java and Angular. So, I'll be letting you know in this video that how we can proceed with the Angular installation in our laptop or PC. Then we will be starting a real-time project. Why I'm directly proceeding with the project? Because it is very much crucial to learn the concept and implement them. Right? So, simultaneously, we will be learning and implementing those things. So, let's start. So this is our free playlist having the full stack course. Earlier I have made another video for the Java development, the course and how we need to proceed with the Java development career using the Spring Boot only. But in this playlist, what we will be going to do, we will be proceeding with the Java Spring Boot plus Angular, right? So we'll be making a to-do application as well so that you can become familiar with the concept and do hands-on over it, right? So let's go ahead. So in this video, we'll be doing the Angular installation only. So how to proceed over it? So first of all, we'll be doing the installation and we'll be learning the basic concepts of Angular first, and then we'll be implementing with the Spring Boot application. So I'm your instructor, Puneet Vasis, the founder of FashEasy, Spenton, Doctoroid and Tuition Friend, and the ex-president of VLSI Club, and right now working as a Java developer at Cognizant Technology. So first of all, we need to know why this Angular because we have a lot of things right now in the market. That is React.js. We have simple HTML, CSS, right? We have simple JavaScript. Why this Angular JS? So basically, it is a complete framework. Why I'm saying this? If you will compare it with the React.js, in the React.js we used to build the front end only, and there we need to install the tools and plugins what we use in the project. But in this case, when we will download this Angular, we do not have to download any external tools or plugins. Automatically, it would be downloaded with your project. So, built-in features, we all know very important feature that is dependency injection and a lot of other functionalities that I'll be letting you know in the upcoming lectures. Then scalability, if you are looking forward for a very huge application, enterprise application, then definitely Angular is the best one. It is having the clear structure, not the very complex. If you are making it with the help of HTML and CSS, definitely your code will become very complex and you will not be utilizing it very well. But in the Angular, it is having the clear structure and the community and support. So basically, it is an open source where you have a lot of community and support provided from different groups. Now we'll be going ahead to see installation process. So first of all, you must have to ensure what are the things you require for this Angular CLI. First of all, you must have this Node.js. Why Node.js? Because this will help us to run this Angular CLI. So if you are looking forward to check whether your laptop or PC have this, you will learn you will just definitely going to run these commands node v, npm v and ng version. So if you can see there is nothing like node v, npm v and ng version, then definitely follow this process. First of all, we need to visit this node.js run javascript everywhere. So how we will, first of all on the Google, what you need to search is node.js install. That's it. First website you will be getting. I want to use this pre-built installer. You can use this package manager as well. Follow these steps if you want, but the best method is to use a pre-built installer. From here, I'll be downloading this Node.js and you can put it anywhere. After that, you need to install that as I have already installed. So I'll be going ahead with the Angular CLI installation. Okay. So what you need to do, just you need to install it from here. Give the whatever the permissions it needs, then move ahead. You will be getting the node in your PC. Now, what you need to do on the next step, you need to run this command. Before that only, you need to check node v and npm v. So let's open your CMD. Here, what you need to do, you need to run it as administrator. What you need to do on this page, you need to check whether you have your node v, right? Yes, I have this version 22.11.0. You need to ensure it should be the latest version, or more than the 7.0 version, because we will be requiring this node version which should be greater than 7 version, right? Then npmv, it is nothing but, if you are familiar with the Spring Boot, it is nothing but it is similar to the Spring Boot Maven. When we have the Maven, it used to install some dependencies whenever we will be going to work on the Spring Boot application. So similarly, npm will be going to help us in that. We have npm version as 10.9.0. For this one, you do not have to download anything. Directly, if you will be downloading this Node.js, it will simultaneously download npm version as well. Now, for the next step, what you need to do is you need to run this command, which is npm install -g or -g at the rate angular slash CLI, right? You can give over here the version as well if you want, but I'll not be giving the version. So let's install this npm install g and then at the rate angular slash CLI, right? I already have it, but I'll be running it again so that it will update the packages if I have any older one. So let's run this. It will automatically download your packages for the Angular, and then you can check it with the help of ng version. Ng version is nothing but it will give you the Angular version. But here is changed to 72 packages in 10, because I was earlier having this particular Angular in my laptop. So it is again just changing that or updating that. Now what you can do is you can just do ng version. Run this command, you will see this is your Angular CLI version 19.0.3, and this is the node version. It is giving everything which is required for Angular project, right? So this is how you can install your Angular in your laptop. And now we can go ahead in the next video by implementing a simple project, and then we will be going ahead for the Spring Boot application, a full stack Spring Boot application with the Angular. Let me go to this page. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can comment it out in the comment box, as well as you can ask me on my Gmail, right? So thank you so much.